Good day everybody, and welcome to another TPM 3-Minute Thursday. My name is Chris Ivan, and today we will look at file locations, how to change them, and at multiple ways of resetting those file locations to default. Whether it is document templates, bend tables, or whole callout format files, SOLIDWORKS searches under its set file locations for the needed information. So, what about the time when we can't find the correct information or the file paths have been messed up due to multiple SOLIDWORKS versions, or we just plainly need to go back to default? The first option is to reset the file locations to the original installation defaults using the Reset button. Under System Options, I find the Reset. Here I have the option to reset the entire system options, which I don't want to do since it will erase all of my preferences and reset everything to default. Once I select file locations, I can reset this page only. Done. The second option is to select each file location individually and determine if it's correct or not. Same as before, I go to System Options and File Locations, and this time I will choose Document Templates, for example. Here I can add a new path, especially if I know where they should be hosted or I want them somewhere else, as in PDM, for example, and then delete the old path. The same can be done for bend table templates, BOM templates, design library, weldment profiles, and so on. When I click OK, it will prompt me to make sure I meant to make those changes. So I click Yes. Done. The third option is not in SOLIDWORKS, but in your computer's registry. Here we must be very careful not to change the wrong registry key and mess up other software. Under Windows Start, I type in regedit and I make sure to go under Current User. Once I find the registry folder I want to change, I have to decide whether I want to rename or delete it. I recommend renaming it so it can be restored at a later date. Once I launch SOLIDWORKS, it will behave as a new installation and ask me to accept the license agreement. Here I see how it created a new registry entry for SOLIDWORKS. Great. Now all of my settings are back to default, not just file locations. So these are 3 ways we can find and reset file locations: the Reset button, add delete individual location paths, or by resetting the registry key. Again, use caution when working in the registry. If unsure, it is better to contact your IT department. Thank you for watching TPM's 3-Minute Thursday. See you next time.